In this problem, we have given that a thermometer is taken from an inside room to outside where the air temperature is 30°F. So we can say temperature of surrounding is equals to 30°F. And after the thermometer reads 80°F, and after 5 minutes it reads 55°F. So we have to find the initial temperature inside the room. So we can say T1 is, that is the temperature after 1 minute, is equals to 80°F, and temperature after 5 minutes, that is T5, is equals to 55°F. And we know that the formula, which is T2, or we can say the temperature of, say we can say here T2 is the temperature of thermometer. So as we know that